Hello and welcome. Today we'll set up VNS3 Controller peering. We'll start from a new VNS3 VPN. We've just launched it and logged in. Our next step is to initialize and configure. So we have three options: either set up a new license parameter, upload a snapshot, or remote configure. So we'll remote config from an existing VNS3 device. Over on VNS3A, we'll grab the private IP address and configure from there. We'll type in your security token and download. Your VNS3 device will fetch those keys and begin a reboot. And after your controller reboots, you need to set up the final step, which is controller peering. And on your peering setup, make sure to set controller 1 to another instance, and we'll grab that. Again, we'll do the private IP of VNS3. And controller 2 is this instance. Click Save Changes. While that's updating, click over to VNS3A. Under Overlay, click Controller Peering. Initially, when we set this one up, we set it as controller 1 and did not specify controller 2. Now we have the option of going back and changing. So we'll click Specify an IP or DNS name, and we'll take the private IP of the other. Click Save Changes. And back on the Lite Edition, we'll click on Status. And on the status page, you'll see links to other controllers. It is running, up, and reachable. Back on the first controller, the status page, it is up and reachable.